6875. Biniha May by upcoming premiere. Nakabidyo lang ako doon sa premiere habang nag-edit mamaya. Okay, let's go to 6875. Malapit na tayo, ah. Juice share. Juice. Oh. And ano ba ba? Wala na akong alam. Icer. Ice. Meron bang jewel? Ay, wala. Cute. 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 Okay. Meron bang icier? Oh, pwede. Hassan, hi! Welcome to the live stream. Oh, meron bang rose? June. Tapos na yung juice eh. Wow. May 3-letter words pala. Ice. Air. Q. Cur. Rice. Oh. Ano pa? Oh. And last one. Madam Curie. Cure. Oh. What's this? 100%. Thank you. What is this? Meron bang cure? Wala. Hindi naman pwedeng curing. Yeah, I already have juicer. Ah, juicier pala. Okay. Wala akong juicer. Okay. Juicer. Juicier pala kanina. Thank you, TGP.